dance of the Goli mask is performed by the Baule ethnic group. The Goli originated among the Wan people, neighbors of the Baule. It was adopted by the Baule in the 1900s. Today, it is the dominant traditional dance form, gradually replacing all others. It may be performed on special occasions such as funerals or simply for entertainment. The two dancers who performed this dance were 4 different types of traditional masks in specific order. The masks have complex symbolism. At each stage, one mask is male and another time female. it is difficult to tell them apart since their differences are very subtle. Zali dance. This is probably the most satisfying traditional dance ever. Zali is a traditional dance style of the Guru people. The Zali mask used in the dance was created in the 1950s, reportedly inspired by a girl named Jalalu Zali. However, stories about the origins of the mask are varied and each mask can have its own symbolic history. Each Guru village has a local Zali dancer who is always a male, cause this is no fit for a lady. Zali is believed to increase the productivity of the location it is performed in and seen as a tool of unity for the Guru community and by extension the whole country. Boloye dance. This is by far the most acrobatic African dance ever. The Boye or Panther dance is a traditional dance style from the Senufu ethnic group in the northern part of Ivory Coast. The dance was once performed at funerals but now has become a dance of rejoicing. However, it retains its sacred character and mythical powers such as the power to make rainfall. The name Boloye is due to the dancers' appearance, who are always dressed in a beige costume and patterns that refer to panther skin. These details lead many to qualify Boloye as a mythical or sacred dance capable of affecting individuals and the community that performs it. Kumian traditional dance. The Akan people of Ivory Coast use the word Kumian to refer to trance. The dance is mainly performed by women who have been initiated to communicate with the gods through different divinatory ways, such as the throwing of shells, looking on water, or in the case of this video, dance. The dance is truly the most spectacular divinatory form used in solving problems among the people. Accompanied by the rhythm of tam-tams, the dance continues until the chief priestess reaches the status of trance. The gods then will manifest themselves at the opening of her mouth to communicate the nature of the problem and how to solve it. Abisa Festival Dance. Abisa is the main festival in the Nzima calendar, celebrating the time of renewal and forgiveness. It is dedicated to Nyami, an Akan name for supreme deity. The festival lasts for 14 good days.